The darkness enveloped me, suffocating me with its heavy presence. Shadows loomed around me, threatening to swallow me whole. Fear and uncertainty gripped my heart as I stood alone in the night, feeling small and insignificant in the vast expanse of darkness. But then, a glimmer of light pierced through the shadows, casting a faint but steady glow on my face. It was a beacon of hope, a ray of determination that ignited a spark within me. I could feel the warmth of that light seeping into my soul, pushing back against the darkness that threatened to consume me. As I began to speak, my voice cut through the silence like a sword, echoing with a mixture of vulnerability and courage. I could sense the struggles and challenges that lay ahead, symbolized by the rising of imaginary adversaries and the thunderous noise of an approaching storm. But I stood firm in my faith, finding strength and solace in the presence of God's light. Slowly, the darkness began to recede as the light grew stronger, bathing me in its warm glow. I felt a sense of peace and serenity wash over me, like a gentle wave of comfort and reassurance. In the shelter of God's love, I found refuge and security, my heart overflowing with gratitude and praise. With renewed hope and determination, I lifted my voice in song, singing of God's faithfulness and goodness amidst the darkness. And as the scene faded to black, I stood tall, my face illuminated by the light of God's presence, radiating with a sense of peace and assurance that no darkness could ever extinguish.